Welcome to the AI Work Innovator channel. Today, I will introduce you to an AI-based video animation tool, Pika Labs. First, you need to log in to the Pika Art website to use it. Then, you will be directed to the homepage. Click on My Library to access your personal library. This tool offers the feature to create video animations from images. Upload your image here. I have prepared an image as an example. Below are the settings options. Consistency with the text. Strength of motion and camera control. Frames per second. Click Generate here and wait a moment for the generation process. We now have our first video. If you want to change the video's dimensions, select Edit and choose Expand Canvas to adjust the size. You can also add prompts as needed. Click Generate and wait for a moment. Great. We've changed from a vertical video to a horizontal one. However, a car appeared here. I'll proceed to remove it. Select Edit, then choose Modify Region. I'll remove the car's element from the prompt. Click Generate and wait a moment to see the result. The car has been almost completely removed. Now, I'll edit once more to remove the remaining part. Continue to generate and wait for a moment. We have our final result. Wishing you all success.